Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some ways you can disable the Windows 10 Update Assistant permanently. For a more in-depth look at the issue, we will link an article in the description down below. Now before we begin, keeping Windows 10 up to date is an important thing for many reasons. You should only consider disabling updates permanently in tough situations. Open Services. Look for the Update Orchestrator service. Right-click on it and click Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled, then stop it, click Apply, and click OK. Another way that we can do this is open Notepad. In the article we link, copy this script, paste it, save it. We'll call it WUA killer.bat. Save it, then open it. Right-click on it, run it as an administrator. You will have to have this on and running while your computer is on. For more tips on how to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.